Wonderadmix. Now here's a product that at first didn't really seem like it really had much potential, but once I started using it in my laboratory, I realized that it had a couple of great usages. And the reason being is because of the fact that you don't have to use surfactants. It flows extremely well without vibration. And in several applications in the dental laboratory, we have flasks that may be closed and screwed, and there's only a hole in the top, and we have to pour material in blindly into that flask. Well, to have a self-wetting property like the Admix provides the stones that we're using, gives us a nice flow around the teeth and prevents bubbles from forming. So a bit about Wonderadmix. It's an additive that you add to water to create a gallon of material, and that additive is then used in place of the water. Okay, so it's a small syringe. You could have put it in any kind of container, but it just happens to be in a syringe, and it's added to a gallon jug, and then water is added to that, and that becomes the Admix. And then that Admix is used in conjunction with the stone of your preference, and it will reinforce it in ways such as gives it better hydraulic strength. It flows nicer. It has a different sheen than water-added powders or water-added stones. Another nice thing about the Wonderadmix is that if you're doing partial dentures or if you're doing flexibles, you need to have reinforcement of your stone that you're using. It's ideal for this application because it fortifies the stone you're already using, especially so for the flexibles because the models are being exerted, a lot of pressure is being exerted on those models, and so the strengthening properties of the Admix with the stone application works extremely well. You need to shake it all the time just before you're going to use it because the material tends to dissipate or particulate, I should say, and you want to make sure you keep it mixed before you mix it with your stone. Wonderadmix is a product that's used in place of water, and it reinforces the properties of the stone.